Our next topic is work done by force of gravity on oblique projectile. So here I consider an object which is projected from O with velocity u by making an angle theta. So here we want to measure work done by force of gravity on this projectile at any point. So here I consider a point P. So at this point the gravitational force acts on the body is mg, which is acting vertically downward direction. So gravitational force F is equal to mg minus j cap. And from this horizontal position, its vertical displacement is y. Vertical displacement is y. So therefore, work done by force of gravity is given by W is equal to F dot S. So here F dot S is equal to Fs cos theta. Here the gravitational force is acting along negative y direction, and displacement, vertical displacement is along positive y direction, that is equal to y. Therefore, angle between gravitational force and vertical displacement is 180 degrees. So cos 180. So we know that cos 180 is equal to minus 1. So minus mg into y. So this is work done by force of gravity on projectile at any point on its path. Suppose the projectile reaches half of maximum height. Half of maximum height, then we take y is equal to h by 2. Here the expression for maximum height is u square sine square theta by 2g. So therefore the value of y is equal to 1 by 4 into u square sine square theta by g. Therefore, work done by the force of gravity when projectile moves from point of projection to half of maximum height is given by minus mg into 1 by 4 into u square sine square theta by g. So here gg cancelled. So work done by force of gravity is equal to minus 1 by 4 mu square sine square theta. Suppose if you wanted to measure work done by the force of gravity on maximum height of the projectile. So therefore, then we take the value of y is equal to h. Therefore, work done by force of gravity is minus mgh. So that is equal to minus mg into expression for maximum height is u square sine square theta by 2g. So here gg cancelled. Finally we get minus half mu square sine square theta. So this is the required expression for work done by the force of gravity when projectile moves from point of projection to highest point. Thank you.